Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and fix our Honda key. This cut key fell off my key fob, so we're going to go ahead and fix this with the new replacement part. Let's go ahead and get this video started. So here it looks like the cut key, it did break off my fob. So if you can see there, you can see the damage. So I can put it in there, but it won't hold. So I would have to grab it together, compress the tip, then insert into my keyhole, turn the vehicle on. But of course, it would easily fall off. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this. The way we're gonna go ahead and fix this is by getting a replacement part. It's just a key fob case. So what it looks like this. So the part, I did buy it from Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link on the description below. And this is what it looks like. This is the new part attached with this little part. And then we have the little screw. And then it comes with a tool. So it looks like it's this part that broke off. So this is the one that holds the cut key. So we're going to go ahead and fix it. So normally you'll have a screw right here, which you get your little Phillips screwdriver, you unscrew the screw, and then the plastic should come apart, which should give you access to the actual little fob, the electronic piece that's inside. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. So you see here, this is what it looks like when you open it. So you take the electronic pieces and remove it. So it looks like we're gonna get our plastic piece that holds our cut key. We're gonna go ahead and insert it just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that screw. So as you can see here, we're gonna go ahead and push the plastic piece until it flushes and the keyhole's exposed. Then we're gonna get our alarm piece, put it into the fitting here. So once we put the electronic piece on there, we're gonna go ahead and put our cut key and attach it and align it to the hole. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our cap back on, lock it in. Then we're gonna go ahead and screw in the little screw, and we should have our key back to normal. So if you can see here, I went ahead and screwed the little screw on, and the key is attached to the key fob. We no longer have a broken key. This part did cost me $7 on Amazon. And once again, it does look like this. Hopefully this video did help you in any way. Please like the video. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And please subscribe to our channel. You guys have a great day.